Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys have had a fabulous week. Today we are going to be making these super cute gold embossed faux stamps. Oh, these are so addicted to make. I had so much fun. As I said at the end of the video, I prefer the large ones rather than the small ones, but yeah, they're equally nice. But yeah, and it's all embossed. You see, that is a really nice texture. Right, before I show you how to make them, I'm going to show you guys the VIP lounge paper for the month of April, which these tags came from. So give you a page full of templates. Right, keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Guys, these are the papers pack for the month of April. The paper pack is called Shabby Notes because it's a collage of traditional piano and music elements with loads of shabby flowers and lace, etc. Now this pack is huge. It's got 14 pages and it has everything you need to create your project. There are background, there are gift boxes, there is tags, there is ephemera, there is all sorts. Let me crack on and show you page by page. So first page, we got 2 pillow boxes in 2 different sizes. There again, if you print this on cardstock, they will be super thick and steady. Then, in fact, let me just put it here. Then we have a background. First of the background, we have a large piano with some lace and some flowers. This is probably my favorite page of the kit. We've got some tags that, again, you can fussy cut them one by one, or you can use these as an entirety. You've got little piano, they got some flowers, love. And I love the palette. The color palette is pretty much the same for each pages because every kit that I designed for the VIP lounge members is being designed to mix and match. So everything goes well together. The color palette for this paper pack is turquoise, baby pink, and of course the black and white with the piano music. Okay, the next page is a bundle of pockets. So if you do journals, so you've got 2 square pockets and 2 there on the bottom, and you've got a tag to fit in there, and a couple of tabs. They are fabulous. If you make hidden paper clips, that will look cool. Another background with a piano and some shabby elements. A page full of tags. So we got 4 medium tags and 2 slightly large ones on the bottom. A page with some embellishment. So we got 6 butterflies that you can fussy cut and layer them. An oval that you can use as a tack. Couple of tags and another embellishment on the bottom. This is another favorite of mine, is a page full of stamps. Okay, so it's on different sizes. This is a page of 4 different backgrounds that I put them together. These will make some fabulous cards. You can make vintage cards, or I can see already like stitching around it with some black thread, or like a birthday cards if you just simply put a happy birthday sentiment. Then we have 2 traditional envelopes and a scallop envelope. We've got a page with 3 large tags. They are huge. Another page with some embellishments. So we got some scallop pockets and some embellishments here that you can make like large buttons as well. You got a cube, like a gift set, a gift box in a cube. So you got all the tabs that you're folding in together, and this will be the leads that you tucked in. And last but not least is a background. So again, full of shabby flowers, lace, and the piano. So that is a kit of 14 pages. Okay. Also this month you get a bonus page, which is a collection of 9 doilies, paper doilies, which I have layered with some shabby elements. So we got some tea mags, some perfumes, a coffee maker, some vintage pink laptop. I thought I wanted something to give you something that you can use with this paper pack, but also is individual, just to make some embellishment. Okay, so this is just a bonus page. And last is a letter gift box. So as I said, this month we are on letter L. We've done all the letters. Let me show you all the letters before I show you what the letter L looks like. But you get a template. Okay, so that's the front, that's the sides, and that's the back. Because I had quite a lot of space, I designed an additional pillow box, again, that you can print it on cardstock and you get an extra bonus little pillow box. So let me show you what we've done so far. So we've done all the letters, and then we have some more in here. Oopsie, I dropped the F. D, E, F, G, H, I, and then we've got J, and we've done the K. Okay, and let me show you what the letter L looks like for this month. Okay, this is letter L that we made with the template from today, and this is the pillow box, what it looks like when it's done up. Okay, that was on the same page, so you get a bonus gift box. Okay, now that you saw the papers, today we're going to use this page here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is fussy cut all the individual stamps. Now, as you can see, when I designed them, there is already that typical stamp texture there, but I'm actually going to cut around the square because I want to use them on a gold. I want to try to use them on a gold cardstock, just because I want this to be quite shiny, quite a bit glitzy. Okay, so I'm just going to cut them all. As I was cutting them, my head was spinning from ideas, because how cool they will look if you put them all together, like on a collage, like a mosaic sort of stuff. So I think it's going to look quite cute. So that's another option, guys, just another bonus idea. Yeah, I think, do you know, on a pink cardstock or like a beigey creamy cardstock, if you put them together, how cool is that? I think it will look quite, to be fair, you can even mix, you know, the small one and the big one. Yeah, just an idea. I think it will look, as a card background, how cool is that? Let me move that there. Yeah, like if you glue them like that. Anyway, right, so I'm going to use this gold cardstock. Well, to be fair, these are, I think it's a set of, I don't know if it's a pack of 5 or a pack of 10. In the UK, we have a shop that's called Poundland, which everything, well, supposedly to be £1, but not really. It used to be, but now everything is about £1.50, which is like your equivalent of like a dollar shop where everything is $1. So yeah, it's not anymore. But they say there's a lot of products which are at £1. But anyway, so they've got a little crafts session. So I always buy this pack of cards because it's cheaper for me to do that rather than buy gold cardstock, because gold cardstock nowadays is very, very, very expensive. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to glue each piece on this cardstock, and then, as you're familiar with my channel, I've got these dented scissors, and I always use this one here. Okay, so you've got different shapes, so I'm just going to use this one. Put them back. So bear with me, I just need to remember. So it's this side. Yeah, so I simply cut them like that. You can use what do you call, craft paper, do you know, to get that nice brown one. But I don't know if you can see on camera. Oh yeah, you can. But I want them to be quite shiny. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do them all like that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got all my stamps on the gold background. Really like them. So what we're gonna do, I've got this stamp here in my stash. It's basically say postage USA blah blah blah. So I'm gonna use, because I want everything to be very gold, very shiny, I'm going to use my Versamark, and I got the refill ink. Just gonna put a little bit there. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna do a few with you, and the rest off camera. I'm just gonna strategically position where I want the stamp to go, and I use my gold embossing powder. Do the same. Oh, there's a little bit of glue there, and I'll do the same on this one. Okay. Then I've got my heat gun. You see it's all shine. It's very shiny. Okay, right, I'm going to do them all, and I'll be right back. All done. Just gonna give you a quick flip through. I must admit, the big ones are the nicest because you can see all the details in there. The small ones, they are okay, but I probably prefer the big ones. So cute. These are extremely addicted to make, and I think golden gold will work. You can either do black embossing powder on a gold background, but I want them to be all gold, all shiny, very glitzy, very glamour, but still with a touch of vintage. So that's cute. You see, look at the big ones. They are so much nicer, in my opinion, than the small ones. Let me know in the comment down below if you guys prefer. You see, because they're bigger, you can see the detail of the stamp. And those two. Right, guys, that is it. Really, I truly enjoy making this using my VIP lounge papers. Guys, if you wish to join, you can join any day of the month as long as you join on the current month. So if you want to join, if you want to receive this paper, you got to join by the end of April. Let me show you on the website where to find my VIP lounge. Okay, guys, so this is my website. So when you look at AntonioMakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there you go. You got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month, and then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP Lounge yearly membership. Okay, so if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the gold butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video, and as I said, don't forget, if you wish to join now, so you get all these month papers, the discount code, and all the other treats. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps me on YouTube, so please take the time to leave a little thumbs up. Guys, I will see you on Friday for a Friday freebie, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.